This is Trevor from Guys Life.
What's up, guys?
And where are we today?
We are at the Thermal Club.
The Thermal Club.
In beautiful, mostly sunny California.
Yeah, but anyway, point of the matter is the Thermal Club is absolutely insane. If you look in the background, how do I point this? Right here. Those are villas that are built on the wall. So when you walk out to your balcony, you can see people racing all day. Not a bad life. Crazy cars though, right?
Absolutely, this place is killer.
So not only are we able to see all the generations of Mustang in one place, we're actually gonna get to ride with Vaughn or Denofa today as well. And they just finished an event 2 days ago, so they just made it here just to drift for us. So huge shout out to Vaughn and Denofa for taking the time for coming all the way out here for us to have fun with some cars here on Thermal. I can't wait to feel what the Nitto tires feel like here on Thermal, because I've been on the NT05s a few times for car reviews, and they're great tires, so I'm excited to see what they do on the 2018 for sure.
To the left there, that building to there is the storage facility. So if your villa's not built yet and you need someplace to store it, that's the building for storage, and a nice hangout on top, a rooftop deck to watch the races. So we're very excited about that. The club is 340 acres of motorsport paradise. It's a members only club, and to become a member, you do have to purchase real estate. So your membership has to be tied to a lot. Our lots range from on track, 700,000, or off track, 525,000. If you own a Mustang shop or a Ferrari shop or Porsche, you can build a high-end garage here and service all the members or any outside clients. And in front of you here, that's going to be the West Coast McLaren Racing Center. Mr. Tom O'Gara from Beverly Hills is bringing this here. So all the McLaren race cars and the P1s will be serviced there. So now we're coming up on the original spec homes. We're going to tour this one up here, the modern version.
So Garrett, what do you think?
They're big, and I can't afford them. So, both sides.
It's okay, we're on the same level.
That's the most important.
The modern version. Again, these are the original homes that we built. They did not have overnight stays when we first built this, so it's all garage. Since about 3 years ago, we have overnight stays available for the members. So now bedrooms are becoming more important than garage. So you'll see the windows on the track on the second story.
Oh. These come with the house, right?
Come on in.
This is part of the lawn.
Yeah, for real.
This lot comes fully stocked.
This totally passes emissions.
This passes California snow.
Yeah.
So again, on the newer villas, you'll get a loft up here, and these will all be bedrooms up top here. And there'll be a wall cut into the sound. We're still behind the sound wall, and we'll have a cutout for the bedroom windows.
The mechanics called us.
Oh.
This is amazing. Someone buy me an air mattress, I'll move in right now. You're watching like 20 car people simultaneously freak out at these houses.
How much money do we collectively have? We made.
I know, for real, dude.
If we
may
put
hate each
all
other
our
after the
money
first
together,
Life's so hard as I come out on my balcony and I see beautiful racetrack behind me, and then I live in this crazy Zed-looking house. Miniature version of the Zed house. How much to rent the closet? That's what I'm thinking. What a nice place to drop a deuce. So in order to live here at Thermal, you need to own some of the real estate here, which starts at $575,000. And then after that, you build it. So that's like the cheapest it can get before building this kind of house or villa. But it's absolutely gorgeous, and I can't even believe it. It is breathtaking out here, because like normally I wouldn't want to live in the desert, but I would make an exception living here. It is that awesome. Where's like the trees and the forest and everything, but then you're like, oh, there's a racetrack right here, so it's fine.
You can kind of come in and relax for a little bit, watch some TV. How are you doing?
below.
In here for members, you come back after you drive. This doesn't have a lit up sink like the one in the clubhouse, but Trevor, this one has cones.
All right.
So, that is a Triumph Stag, and this is where it lives because they all live in a shop. So,
I didn't know that Nissan did the
they
restorations.
did. They bought them back and they restored them to factory spec. You got an E-Type?
This 2018 is my ride for the day. Got a soft top, but hey, can't complain. Brand new car. Sick. So, 01 Bullet Mustang ahead of me. Brand new 2018 with the 10-speed. I've been dying to drive the 10-speed, so I'm super excited. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun, bro.
It's gonna be fun. Yeah, man. So, I know I didn't show it, but I just went out and did lead follow, which is just an exercise on track to teach you the line of the track. And what'd you think? You rode with me?
It was wild. It was pretty awesome.
Yeah, what, do you learn anything?
I did. I learned how to keep an eye on the apex.
That's all you need to do.
And not the car in front of me.
Not the car in front of you, because that's when you run into them. which is weird, because you think when you look at the car, that's when you'd be like in the zone. And the guy in front of us threw up, which is crazy. Yeah, he was sending it.
I don't think he could take the pressure in the rear view.
Oh well, thanks, man. But
hey, he wasn't watching the cone.
I don't think
he was watching you.
I don't think he was.
No.
But no, it was really cool. I really want to get back out there and film, but the thing is, when we went out there, they had the radio going the whole time, and I know you guys don't want to hear an instructor teaching me how to be a better driver the whole time. I know people are going to be in the comments, but Dave, we want to see that. It would have been a snort fest. So I'm just waiting for an opportunity, and if not, we'll just skip right to the good stuff and drifting with Vaughn and all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. We'll keep going. Mr. Vaughn back at it again.
What up? We're in the new 2018 RTR Spec 2.
It's your baby.
With my girl. Make her feel like a proud dad.
Oh, number one.
Here we go.
Making it look easy, as always. That was awesome.
Good times, man.
Always have to do the traditional 180, 360.
You know, little spinsies.
All right, thank you,
Sick,
man.
bro. Good
Appreciate
to see you,
it.
man. Have fun. Stay fun.
Nice parking job. All right, guys, I had an amazing day here at Thermal. I got to see an extremely expensive home at the side of a racetrack that was beautiful. I got to ride with Vaughn again, which is always a great time. He pulled a 360, if you couldn't tell, and I actually bashed my camera against the A-pillar because I wasn't ready. And other than that, I had an amazing time with people like Mr. Trevor and Garrett, Driveline, a whole bunch of cool people. I want to thank Nitto so much for inviting me out to this event. It was an amazing time. Right, Garrett?
That's right. It was
That's
fun.
right.
It was fun.
It was fun.
We're gonna do more stuff.
We're gonna do more stuff.
Like karting at AMP maybe.
I agree.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. Hit that stupid subscribe button. I'll see you later. Bye.